Hello, hotel. In this demo, we will show you how to create room type and room in Billdhari Hotel Management Software. First off, click on Channel Manager. So as soon as you click on the Channel Manager option, your room type option will be shown. Your room type option will be selected by default. Click on Room Types. You have to go to the third state and click on the Room Type option. As soon as you click, it will open in front of you. Following that, click on Add Room Type. Your room type field is given in the pop, so you can create your room type according to your hotel. Like I am currently creating a type named Local Room. As you fill in your room type, the Create button will open. To create your type, you simply have to click on the Create button, and your room type will be created. Once that's done, click on Create. So I hope you have understood how to create a room type. So in the next option, here we have to know how to create a room. So you have to click on the Simple Room option. Click on Rooms. Click on the Room option. You will see the Add Room button. From that button, you have to click on the Add button, and as soon as you click on the button, the Add Room pop-up will appear in front of you. Then, click on Add Room. As you are, if you click on the button, a pop-up will appear in front of you. In that pop, the first field is Room Type, which we had created. Now, by the name of Local Room, you have to select that type here. Click on Local Room. Like after that comes our second number field, where you have to type your room number. You can put the numbering as per your choice, so in my case, I am typing a number like 501 here for example. Its next field is Room Area. Like in your hotel, the area would be ground floor, or second floor, first floor, or third floor. Here you can assign any type of area as per your choice. So I'm creating an area here, like a regular room. So here we have skipped friend or you, like your adults and children. Here by default we have set it if you want, then you can also modify it. So the third step is our direct room rate, where you can set your room rate, like for example, I am setting the rate here as 3,500 rupees. After that, the next field will come to you where we will see whether the room rate we have set is with tax or without tax. Click on With Tax. Afterwards, click on With Tax. So after setting this, we have to select the tax rate here as well. As per the Indian government, we have set the good service tax, which is applicable on the room as 12%. So you have to set that and select it here. Then click on GST, 12%. Our next step is where we have to set extra charges. Like extra rates are extra children rate, extra adult rate, or extra bed rate. So here you have to set that charge here. So I am filtering extra bed and children rate, or extra delivery by default, 500 every day. We have set this, for example, rest. You can set the rate as per your requirement. Following that, click on Default Room Rate. So it is easy to do all these things. You just have to follow this thing. You have to fill the details. That means if you fill all the details step by step, then your room will just be created. Here you are given the Create button. You have to click on the Create button, then in one click, your set room will be created. To wrap up, click on Create.